So this is a video inspection of sewer mains. It's 6408 Country Club Drive, Castle Rock, Colorado. This is from a sewer main access point in the southeast corner of the home in the unfinished mechanical room. We've got multiple different sewer stacks that we could access in here. I'm choosing the one that is the furthest from the center of the home. Alright, the water you're seeing entering this main is coming from the basement bathroom directly outside the doorway from this mechanical room. We've passed two tie-ins, both of them 3-inch PVC. The line itself appears to be pretty flat. It's definitely holding water and waste when it should not be. So that there looks like a tie-in from the main level restrooms. Oh yeah. Well, the actual home's main line appears to be decent slope and condition. I don't have any standing water in this section of the pipe. These appear to be external riser access points outside the home. That's as far as we're getting on this one. Okay, so the section of pipe that I'm backing out of right now appears to be the actual sewer main leaving the home. From the way it looks, that section of pipe is got correct pitch and slope to it. Appears that that section of pipe is also drained adequately. The issues that we're carrying appear to be all internal of the home. And as you can see on camera there, we've got a little bit of water pooling here with minimal water in the home running. We've got one bathroom sink with cold water supply only on. And we've got about an inch of standing water right here. As soon as we get to the drop for the rest of the sewer, it is draining at that point, draining out of the home okay. But all of this underground is flat, as flat can be. That would be tie-in for 3-inch main stack on west end of mechanical room by the doorway into this mechanical room. And as you can see there, we've got some waste sitting in that Y. Okay, so this looks like we're going out of this 3-inch branch line into the building 4-inch that runs north-south, picking up all the waste from the upper floors and this mechanical room. So it is holding some waste and water, the bottom 90 from this vertical stack to the lateral line. Looks like it's settled a little bit. Alright, so that will complete the inspection in the mechanical room from the southeast southeast cleanout and mechanical room. We are now going to move over to the northeast mechanical room and the main sewer cleanout in that room.